How to multiply columns in Excel. So what we can simply do is we can now click on the side wherever we want our text to be multiplied. I mean our equation to be multiplied, and there we can simply click on equals to option and search for product, and there we'll simply click on the product option, which we can simply get after typing there, and then we will add the, I mean, wherever our like number is, the which is mine here is 6 2, so we'll simply add 6 to C2, and the next equation is in D2, so we'll simply add the D2, and after doing that we can simply click on OK, and here we can see that our text is multiplied, and then we can simply click on it and simply extend it, and we will be able to multiply all of our equation there. And that is how we can multiply columns in Excel easily.